Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I'm going to show you the best video player that you can have on your Mac or MacBook. So let's begin the video. The first question that you might have is that why should we even consider downloading any third-party video player when the Mac already has one? Well, there are mainly two big reasons. The first reason is that the built-in Mac video player does not support all of the video formats. The second thing is that it does not have that much options like to increase the brightness, enable disable subtitles, change between audio tracks, etc. So for that I'm going to tell you about a video player which is called iina video player. This is a free video player that you can download for free on your Mac and MacBook. So let me show you how you can download and install it. On your MacBook, you're going to open any browser and you're going to open the website iina.io. I will put the website link in the video description. So here you're going to have the download button. The version is 1.3.4. I'm going to click on the download button and iina will be downloaded. So as the file is being downloaded, you can go down to see its features. So it has dark mode, you have picture in picture option, you have all of these different features that are available for free. So that's the main thing, because it's an open source software, so it's completely free. So you can see its size is 80.8 MB. So it's not going to take much long to download. In order to install iina, double click on the DMG file, drag and drop iina into your applications folder, copying iina to applications, and that's it. We're going to close here. We're going to eject this one from right here. So you're going to open launchpad and you should have iina in your launchpad. If you're not seeing here, just type iina and it's going to show iina video player. I'm going to open it. So we're going to click on open. So you can open any video, or you can open the video through a URL. We're going to close it. It's going to show you any highlights or anything that you have. Here I have a example video file and you can see it is an MKV file. So if I double tap on it, open with QuickTime Player, which is the default video player of the Mac, you can see QuickTime Player cannot open this file because it is in a .mkv format. However, if I double tap on it, open with iina, which is a default app, and if you don't know how you can set default apps, you should watch this video. But if I click on iina, you can see it's going to instantly open the video. So that's the benefit of having a dedicated video player. Now if you can go full screen with this video, you can easily go front and back, and if I click on these three dots right here, you have these different options that are available. First of all, the subtitle section. If you have any subtitle SRT file, you can select it from the list. You can load external subtitles, you can change the subtitle delay, the subtitles scale or their size and their colors. If you go to the audio section, if you have the video in multiple languages, you can select the audio from here. Currently it's present only in English. If I go to none, it's going to be nothing, and then from here I can select here. You can add an audio delay, equalizer, and in the video section you're going to have the most useful options. You can change the video's aspect ratio like from 16:9, 4:3 to default, and you can type any custom value. You can add a crop factor as well. You can change the rotation to 90, 180 and so on. If it is a portrait or landscape video, you can change the video speed as well, as you can see. And here you have the equalizer settings, and from here you can change the video settings in real time like the saturation, hue and so on. So these are the benefits of having a dedicated video player, and if you want to reset these options, you can do so. So yeah guys, this is one of the best video players available for the Mac or MacBook. So guys, if you like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.